Hello everyone, my name is Sharanya. I am from first year CSD branch. My startup company is EIN and product present name is Umbrella and product proposal name is Sky Shield. And empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity, size adjustable and Bluetooth connection. Define, based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirement for customers, many new features are added to the exciting product. Existing stage name is Umbrella and futuristic name is Sky Shield. And ideate, some of the additional features to be added are mentioned the fabric polyester durability and water resistance, frame shaft and runner umbrella to open and close, handle rubber. And prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to the time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. And testing. I requested the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to the satisfying the text stage. Thank you.